You've got a La-Z-Boy recliner, it's become a little loose, a little wobbly over time, and you're not sure how to fix it. There's an easy 5-step method that you can follow and get that recliner back in working order. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 5 steps on how to take apart your recliner, put it back together, and sit back down in comfort. Hello everybody, my name is Sean David Holler, and I'm here to walk you through the 5 easy steps on how to remove the back of your La-Z-Boy recliner. So we're going to start with number 1, which is pull the recliner forward, just like this. Number 2, locate the locking bracket. So right here you'll find the brackets on the back of your chair. It's a little metal piece. You have another one on this side right here. Number 3, pull the locking levers up, push back into place there. So we want to pop that back up. Number 4, roll the recliner back to normal position. Pull the recliner back into place. And number 5, rock the back from side to side in an upward motion. And then we can pull the back off. There we go. Brackets in the back of your chair can become loose over time. And so while we have the back disassembled, what we want to do is we want to tighten the screws on both brackets to make the chair more secure. You'll see you have your brackets right here. You got 2 of them. You just want to tighten those up right there. Just like so. You want to flip it around. You got 2 more on this side here. Tighten those. As well as tightening the brackets on the back of the chair, you can also tighten the exposed screws on the back of the body as well to give you a little bit more stability. So now that we've tightened the brackets on the back and the exposed screws on the body, we need to install the chair back together. We can do this with 5 easy steps, which is basically the opposite of what we did to take it apart. So I'm going to start with number 1, align the brackets at a slight angle. Number 2, roll the recliner forward. Number 3, push the locking levers down. Number 4, roll the recliner back to its normal position. And number 5, test the installation by gently twisting from side to side. Now after watching this entire video, if you're still having problems taking apart, putting together, or tightening the screws on your La-Z-Boy recliner, you're always welcome to visit any one of your La-Z-Boy galleries in your local area. If you check down below, I'll have a link which will show you who's in your area and how you can contact them. And of course, if you like what you see and you want to see more, you're always welcome to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and leave us a comment.